Hello, my name is Alper Yashar and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. Today, I'll be going over the map feature on the Swift Sensors console. You can map out your hardware to better locate and understand the deployment across your facilities. First, click on the piece of hardware you want to map, click on the gear icon, and then click on Edit. Then, click on the pinpoint button where it says Position. This will take you to the map screen where you can zoom into your location and pinpoint where your hardware is located. Once you place the gateway down, the connected sensors will pop up on the map too. You can click on the edit button on the map page and move the sensors around. From the map page, I can see that my main restroom sensor has a high critical reading. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us at www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.